Okay, class, we're going to work on solving systems. In this case right here, we're going to do all substitution. The problem here, if you were allowed to choose any method, you would definitely choose linear combination. But I just want to go through, if you wanted to do substitution, how it will go. We have no term with a y is where x is 1, right, with a coefficient of 1. So you have to look at which one can divide all of them evenly first. So if I look here, each of these are divided by 4. So that means I want to take this one and I want to solve for y or x. I'm going to solve for y. So I'm going to bring my 4x over. So I'm going to have 4y is negative 4x minus 12. Now I can divide each term by 4. And I have y equals negative x minus 3. Again, I understand that this will be linear combination, but we want to just work our substitution skills. I'm going to take this value here, and I'm going to substitute it in for y. Okay. So I have 6x plus 2, parentheses 3. So instead of y, I'm going to plug in or substitute negative x minus 3. Now I'm going to solve this out. 6x minus 2x minus 6 is 3. Okay, so now I'm going to have 4x is 9. X is 9 over 4. Now that's a fraction answer, right? It doesn't mean it's impossible, but let's just check to see if that's a realistic answer. See if there's any mistakes I may have made. I brought my x over and had it as a negative, divided by 4. That's still a negative there. Okay, I plugged in my 2. That is a negative 2x and a negative 6. So my answer is x is 9 over 4. It is very possible to be a fraction, but we always just want to check to make sure. Now 9 over 4, let's plug it in here so it'll be a cancel out. 4 times 9 over 4 plus 4y is negative 12. The 4's cancel. 9 plus 4y is negative 12. Subtract 9. 4y is negative 21. Y is negative 21 over 4. Okay. We definitely want to check these. We definitely want to check these because they are fractions, right? We're allowed to have fractions, but you want to check them, and this is a good practice for us to make sure that we know how to do our fractions. So let's see, 9/4 for x. Let's see, check them. 4 times 9 over 4 plus 4. And then for y, we need negative 21 over 4. The 4's cancel out. 9 minus 21 is negative 12. Check. Now let's check it in the other one. We have 6 times 9 over 4 plus 2 times negative 21 over 4 is 3. That's a 3 halves. 27 over 2. Excuse me. Minus 21 over 2 is 3. That's 6 over 2 is 3. 3 equals 3. So this works, although we have fraction answers, which are more than okay to have our fraction answers. And that is our substitution. I'm going to look at another problem here with substitution. Okay. Here we have a choice. We can either solve for x, we can solve for x with this one, or we can solve for y with this one. It doesn't matter which one we do. Let's go here and solve for x plus 2y plus 2y. X equals 2y. The reason I wanted to spend time on this is because you're used to seeing all three terms. When it looks like this, it's just a whole lot easier, right? It's a whole lot easier. We're going to take this 2y and we're going to substitute it in for x. So that means I have 3 times 2y plus y, 0. 6y plus y is 0. 7y is 0. Y is 0. Y is 0. Let's plug that in. X plus 2 times 0 is 0. X minus 0 is 0. X equals 0. So this point is 0, 0. Very uncommon, but it is possible. If I plug the 0 in here, I'd have 0 plus 0, or 3 times 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 equals 0, right? Very uncommon, but it is possible to be 0, 0. The key here, guys, is if the first term is 0, it doesn't mean no solution. You can possibly have a 0. Okay, you could possibly have a 0. Pause for a second. Okay, now let's look at elimination linear combination. Okay, I think this is probably the way most people solve it, and you could solve by any way. Okay, you can solve it by any way. I just want to show you both because sometimes it is easier for substitution, but for the most part, we want to do this. So first thing we're going to do here is we have to align everything. Okay, so we have our x's here, we have our numbers here, and our y's here, okay? Everything is aligned, so we're good. So let's pick what we're going to do. We could change the x's, but I think changing the y's would be much, much easier. Okay, so let's change this one. 8 and 6 is 24, so let's go with a 3 here. So I got 21x equals 69 minus 24y. Let's do this one by a 4. 16x is negative 32 plus 24y. Let's add these up. 37x is 37. X is 1. That's easy enough. Let's take that 1. Doesn't matter which one we plug it into. Let's plug it into the bottom. So I got 4 times 1 is negative 8 plus 6y. 4 is negative 8 plus 6y. 6y is 12. Y is 2. So I have my answer as 1, 2. Quick plug it in. 7 is 23 minus 16. That works. See, 4 is negative 8 plus 12. That works. Okay, guys. So a couple other problems for you to do that I have the answers for you, right? I have the answers here, I have the answer here, I have the answer here. I will post those answers for you.